How to buy LLM token. Now, before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you found on my channel, please do your own research. Now, before going on by this token, make sure to check their community on X. As you can see, they have a 533 members there. So this token is available on the screener. It's created, as you can see, 1 day ago, and increased by 91% in less than 4 hours. And this token trending number 29 in this transaction. Now I will show you how to buy this token. Now click here to token address and open your fund to buy it. For that, as you can see, after that, click here on swap and make sure that you have enough Solana on your wallet. Now click here and paste token address in the search bar. So this is our token. Now click on it, and after that you can click on I understand. After that, you can type here how much you want to buy, and this is how much you will be able to receive that token, as you can see here. After that, select the provider by click on pricing, click on provider, select Jupiter for example, click on apply. Now go back and click here on swap, and you will be able to redact the Jupiter provider page to complete the buy process. So this is how to buy LLM token. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.